When I got in my car and I saw people driving, all these crazy people coming home from partying,
I thought to myself, what the?
and then somebody hit me, might have been tipsy, middle of the night and it's looking kinda risky. Got a dent in my car and I know it's the fault, but I ain't passed the ball, so before I go to court, I scroll through my phone, just like I thought. I saved this number to make this call, 1-800-411-PAIN, and they take your call night or day.
All day, all night, all day, all night, all day, all night.
1-800-411-PAIN.
All day, all night, all day, all night, all day, all night.
1-800-411-PAIN. Car accident? After 911, call 411. 1-800-411-PAIN. That's 1-800-411-7246. Lock the number into your phone now for an easy call later.
All day, all night, all day, all night.
1-800-411-PAIN.
1-800-411-PAIN is a legal and medical referral service, non-employee spokesperson.